Welcome back, beauties. I'm really happy you guys can join me for another video. This time it's an Ayurvedic theme. I've been doing more henna masks lately, and I fell in love with this simple recipe and just the whole routine that I really wanted to share with you guys, just to showcase what I've been doing for the past few weeks. As always, it's straight to the point. It's super quick. I hope you guys enjoy. This henna mask to pre-pooed hair. So the night before, I applied my henna tea and a hot oil, which is the same oil that I used in the henna mask, the camellia oil. Went to sleep, and these are my results. Everything looking extra moist. So I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna spray my hair with a little bit of water. It won't be soaking wet, and then apply my henna mask. So this is one of my favorite routines when I am doing a henna mask or even an amla mask. I just love using all Ayurvedic ingredients. One of my favorite conditioning co-washes. I love it. The fact that it has peppermint and it makes my scalp tingle and it feels like a shampoo, but it never leaves my hair dry. I can never get enough of her stuff. I love her brand. So I know someone's probably gonna ask, what temperature do I use to wash my hair? So when rinsing out a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, even a hair mask, I always use warm water. And then when I'm done rinsing out everything, I'm done detangling, I seal everything in with cold water. So I start off with warm, and then I always end with really cold water. Another bomb wash day. I am never ever ever surprised when my hair comes out looking this luscious. So until next time, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.